Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how quickly we can set up a new product from Clickbank using the pagepro.com and using Microsoft Ads as our traffic source. So the pagepro.com is a free landing page creator. So you just head over to the pagepro.com and register your free account. So it's very easy to use. If you want the full tutorial, the link is in the description below. So let's go ahead and find our product from Clickbank. So once you are signed in Clickbank, you head over to Marketplace, and then what we want here is we want to search a new product that have been recently added in Clickbank. In that way, it will have a low competition, and we will just spend less amount of pay per click if we search for keywords for this product. So what I plan here is at least to very closely do a brand bidding with the new product. So what we are going to do here is we click on search without any query here, and then we click on advanced search. So as you can see, Clickbank Marketplace has a brand new front end, so they updated it recently. So we click on advanced search and we scroll down here in the seller information. We want to have the products that have been added in the past 30 days. So today is 12, so we will select maybe the 1st March till today. Okay, so click on search. So let's head over. So this is April. This one pay 17.57. So let's this is a tarot product, $16. Wealth spell, $22. Quick fit by Melanie, 94.69. Okay, so this is the perfect product that we are going to use in this example. So let's check the sales page. Okay, looks pretty good. So what we usually do in the pagepro.com is from the sales page, we save 2 images. So let's grab this one. I think this is good. So this is the first image. So this is the first image that we will be using. All right. And then find one more image. Okay, so this product looks pretty good. Maybe we use this. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, use this leaf. All right, once we have the images, we go to the pagepro.com, we log into our account. Okay. Okay, so this is our free account in the pagepro.com. What I always like is because the pagepro.com offers free landing pages, unlimited number of landing pages, but I want to use a custom domain. So if you wanted to use a custom domain, you can just read this instruction. But if you want to use the free one, so this is okay. So as you see, the URL is the pagepro.com, your username, and then the product that you are promoting. But this one I registered, I set up a custom domain for my offers because I do this all the time, creating landing page. So I'll go to my custom domain, and then okay, once I'm signing, so this is my custom domain. So these are all the products that I'm promoting. So as you can see here, because it's your custom domain, so it will be your domain and then the product immediately. That's the URL you'll be using. Okay, so now let's quickly create. So add new landing page, and then this one is product name is Quick Fit by Melanie. So that's the product name we will be promoting, Quick Fit by Melanie. So our path name should be Quick Fit, like that, and then show bullet section, yes. Show article section, yes, and then article section will be next to the bullet section. Then continue to offer. So let's do this. And I always want to have it as opt-in so that I'll be able to collect email addresses. So I won't be wasting my money just by throwing money in the Microsoft ads, and then after the visitor left the page, we won't get anything if they don't purchase the product. But this one, let's try to capture their email address so we can at least do some follow-up emails. Okay, so in the pagepro.com you can do that. The full tutorial is in the description below. Okay, what I do here is send me offer, send me okay, send me and continue. Okay, I'll show you later how it will look like. Okay, so here color is at green, so I have here eyedropper. So let's grab this hexacode, then we go to page pro editor, paste here. Okay, so if you want to select a custom color, you can install a Firefox extension that's gets it's called eyedropper, where you can just click on any area on the page and grab the color. But this one, if you haven't decided any color, so you can just use this option in the page pro. So just click that and select the color you wanted for your buttons, main color of your landing page. So the affiliate link will be, okay, let's get our affiliate link from Clickbank. So create link and then copy, and then put that one there. And then our top text will be, okay, let's use this really quick. And then our headline will be okay, the lower your core body temperature, the slower metabolism. So that's a great headline. Let's use that. Okay, remove some spaces. Okay. Okay, and then the image we will be, so now we upload the image that we have saved earlier. So we go here in manage images. Okay, and then we select the that we got the two images we will be uploading. Okay, and one more for, all right, great. And then what we do here is we just copy the name of the image, just copy, then go back to our landing page editor, then just paste, just simply paste that, and we go to the sales page again, and we will copy some of the important points here, so that we'll put that in our bullet point section. Okay, so I think these are good points that we can put in our bullet points. So we copy, head over, bullet points. Okay, don't worry about it, we can modify it later. Improve mood. All right, really quick. Okay, and we copy. All right, and then one more. Okay, I think that's enough. Now, what you do here, if you have copied some of the formatting of the text, so you highlight everything and then just click, simply click that. So, and then remove some of the spaces. All right, and then we check. Let's save it. Okay, let's quickly check our landing page. Oops, wait, we have selected this. Yes, yes. Okay, save it. Let's quickly check our landing page. All right, it's almost looking great. Okay, so now let's check that. Okay, we have that pop-up to capture the email, so it looks good. Yeah, see how fast it is to create a landing page in the pagepro.com. Now to finish this up, we will put a small article over here, which we can get from, so if you want to write your own article, it's up to you. But for me, I just grab some simple information, quick information here in the sales page itself. So let's see what we, because mostly some of the sales page here in Clickbank products, they have a small article which you can put immediately. I think for this one, We can have this maintain a healthy lifestyle, but it's up to you. So we just do for demonstration, you'll do that. So same thing as you did for bullet section. So move that and then go back to our images. So grab the second one, copy and then paste over here, and then our article text. So go back to here and then we just grab this. Anyway, they won't last long here in our landing page. So if they are really interested with the offer, they will click the button right away. Okay, so here it has a small instruction here if how you can format it really nicely. So what you can do is copy that. So it comes so this first paragraph will come next to the image, and then this one will be on the next row. Okay, okay, I think that's done. We click on save. Okay, we preview our landing page. This looks really good. Look at that. Look at that. It looks really professional. So we did it in, I think, just 5 minutes. Okay, and we can right away start promoting this page, right? And so we are able to catch the email address, capture the email address of the visitor. So most visitors, I'll show you one thing. So what happens is most of the visitors, once they see this pop-up, they will ignore it. They just want to go ahead to the offer, and sometimes they get annoyed of this pop-up. But don't worry, if they don't want to enter their email address, and then if they click this close button, you see, watch, even if they close the pop-up, they will be redirected to the offer with your app link. So that won't waste the visit in your landing page. So that's how cool the pagepro.com is. Even if they close the prompt when you try to capture their email, still they'll be redirected to the offer page. It's really good. It won't waste your click, the payment that you made for that click. All right, now let's go ahead and start building the ads. So what we do here is we will use Microsoft Ads. So to do that, let's head over to the keyword planner. So here in the keyword planner, what we can do is use the brand bidding as close as possible because this is a new product, Quick Fit by Melanie. So I don't think it will be here, but let's see. Quick Fit by Melanie. So let's see. Oh, it has some. All right, it has some search query already. So what we do is we grab some of the keywords here. So we use Notepad and get some of those. And look at the cost per click. It's quite low. All right, so this is really a good product. So we can grab this one, Quick Fit. Okay, and we grab this one, Quick Fit. Oh, this is perfectly matched to our product, quick weight loss product. So we can do that. Effective. Okay, grab that and lost weight quick, diet quick weight loss. This one we don't need. I don't think this will work correctly because this query, maybe some people just looking for some information, but these two, they're looking for products, so they have a big chance to purchase what we have. So quick fit reviews, don't forget that. So it could be referring to that actual quick fit product. All right, and this one here. All right, now we have our keyword. Let's set up our ads. So quickly, so create a campaign, select visit to the website, search ads, click on next, and then the budget we leave it as $20 per day. And then this one is quick fit. Okay, now we just leave the people in your target location. We untick that, and then we click on save next. Now our keyword, since we have it, just simply check that and quick fit brand. All right, and we click on save. All right, we create the ad. Okay, so first let's select the expanded text, and then what we do is grab the URL. Okay, so this one is already created, so we go over to all landing pages, and this is the URL, quick fit. Great. It's really a quick setup. All right, and the title, Quick Fit by Melanie. All right, and then for title 2, we grab some of maintain health. Okay, uh, the lower your body core, the slower your metabolism. Okay, let's grab this. This is, I think, exactly what we're trying to promote. Okay, 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 okay. What we do here is don't leave it as all caps because Microsoft Ads will not accept it. All right, quick fit. All right, perfect. And then for add text, let's get, are you struggling? Okay, this is exactly what we're looking. And then one more, come here. If you could accurately measure body temperature, would know the exact speed at which, maybe that's a little out of the subject. Of course, we want to have a long and healthy lifestyle. We all know, okay, I think this one. Then I think we put this until here. Okay, come back to our ads. Okay, all right. Remove some spaces and uh, move the capitalization because Microsoft Ads won't accept this if it's all caps. Lifestyle, great. All right, we have completed our product. We have completed the setup from landing page till the ads creation in Microsoft Ads. Okay, so we remove that. We don't need that. We click on save. That's great. And then save. And then okay, let's check how much is the suggested bid. So I think we can leave it at 0.40 or 0.5. Yeah, that's not too bad. Okay. Okay, look at that. We get really nice estimated clicks we can get from our keywords. All right, so as you can adjust it based on your needs. So if you're not getting any clicks or impressions, you can always come and adjust it. Okay, but I suggest first start it with a very low amount so that you won't exhaust your budget really quick. All right, so campaign targets, leave it as it is. Campaign settings. So what we usually do is select this option so we get quality traffic and then hit on save. All right, our campaign is ready. So we check the campaign, quick fit. All right, so this one is ready. So let's check the ads. Okay, it's approved limit. Okay, okay, so it's not allowed in Australia, so we have to modify the campaign. We will remove Australia, but that's how it works correctly. So it's approved but not in Australia, so that's fine. So maybe in Australia they are not accepting this product, but for US and Canada it works correctly. So okay, so once this is completely approved, it will run. We will send 200 visitors in this landing page, and let's see what will be the result, how much leads we will be getting, how much email, and how much conversion. Okay, so I'll be posting a link in the description below once I have the result in this video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, so just subscribe in this channel so that you can I can also share some of my tips in doing affiliate marketing. Okay, so that's it. I think that's all for now. So don't forget using thepagepro.com, you can create a landing page similar to this one, very professional looking, as you see here. So it won't waste much of your time. So can create this really nice looking landing page using thepagepro.com. All right, okay, so I'll see you on our next video. Okay, bye for now.